Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Question first. Link body color and sex chrome structure fast by using the evidence given, then eliminate weak genetic claims until one mechanism actually fits. Yellow body comes from a mutant allele, and yellow-bodied flies also show different sex chrome structure, so the mutation is associated with both traits. That means the best explanation is a direct effect of the mutant allele or its protein on development, not codominance or some weird dependence on the wild-type allele being present. So option A works because it gives a clear mechanism. The mutant allele produces a protein that disrupts normal sex chrome development in yellow-bodied flies. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Don't rush past given evidence. Trust what's stated, then check each choice for a real mechanism.